Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to paint coral bell with watercolor on rice paper. I put a rough sketch underneath the rice paper. For this painting, I'm using purple, magenta, ultramarine, and white paint. I'm going to start with the flowers first. I'm using thick consistency white paint for the flowers. It's tiny flowers, so I'm just putting many dots. I will start with the front flowers first, then work on the side flowers. I'm adding some magenta in the flowers too. I'm adding stems between the flowers using thick consistency paint. I'm adding more flowers at the side with watery purple. This rice paper holds thick consistency paint pretty well, so even though I glaze over the white flower, it will keep the flower shape with the soft edges. This purple will get lighter when it dries. I'm going to work on the leaves now. I wet my brush with watery purple first, then add a thick consistency dark purple at the tip of the brush. I don't worry about painting around the white flowers because the white flowers are painted with a thick consistency paint and I'm using watery paint. This means White flower is going to pop out when I glaze leaf color over it. This leaf is pretty big, so I'm using multiple brush strokes for that. I should have left a little space between the front leaf and back leaf so it wouldn't turn into a big leaf like this, but I didn't do that when I had a chance, so I'm fixing it now. I'm taking some moist out on the front leaf with a paper towel first and add a dark shading color on the foreground leaf. Now those stems look like it's coming out from the ground. I'm adding shadings on the other leaves too. And I'm adding veins too. The rice paper is still wet, so these lines are not going to stay sharp. I'm adding some white highlights too. I'm putting pure white, but it will slowly mix with the bottom layer color. I think I should add some flowers at the front, so I'm gonna add some flowers which are hanging over toward me. I'm adding more background leaves with water down the purple. I'm using matte to see how it will look like as I finish the piece. I think I will go with a square matte. I would like to give more strength on the stems. I think it's done. Before I go, I want to talk about my online art classes. I'm offering a few watercolor classes and workshops from January 2021. If anybody is interested in it, you can check the list below for more information. Thank you.